Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add links to buttons or text over on Weebly. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up your website's homepage. Here you will see all the headings and text. Now simply add link to text. I'll type it about us. I'll also change its color to make it more appealing. You can change the color of the text by using this menu. I'll select something matching the red hue in contrast to my side. Alright, so then just select the text you just entered and tap on the link icon. After clicking, it will ask for a link so that it can redirect the user clicking on it. I'll use youtube.com as my link. That's how you add link to text. To make a button and add link to it, simply click and drag the button option from the left side menu and type in its name. After that, click on the link option and add any link. Same option as before will appear and it will ask you to add a link. Just add any link and you have made a button with a link attached to it. So this is basically how you can add links to button or text on Weebly. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching.